What is martial law? Martial law is when the military takes control of running a country or a specific area instead of the regular government. This usually happens during big emergencies like wars, natural disasters, or times when protests, riots, or revolutions make it hard for the government to stay in control. When martial law is declared, the army takes over and enforce rules. They can arrest people without trials, set curfews, and limit freedoms like free speech, or the right to gather in groups. Sometimes they even control what the media can say. While martial law is supposed to protect people during emergencies, it can cause serious problems. In some cases, it has led to unfair treatment, torture, or even killings without a proper trial. Martial law has been declared in many countries for different reasons. For example, in the United States, it was used during the Civil War, World War II, and after Hurricane Katrina. In Poland, martial law was declared in 1981 to stop protests, and it stayed in place for years. In Thailand, martial law in 2014 led to the military taking over the government completely in a coup. In Pakistan, martial law has often turned into long periods of military rule. South Korea also declared martial law in 2024 during a national emergency, citing threats to democracy. Although martial law is meant to restore order during difficult times, history shows that it can sometimes be used by those in power to stay in control or take over completely.